Today I'm going to show you step by step how to install a WordPress theme you've purchased from Envato's Theme Forest marketplace using the direct zip upload method. If this is your first time, don't worry, I'll make sure you know exactly what to click, and by the end you'll have your beautiful new theme up and running, ready to customize. The first thing you need to do is get the correct theme file from Theme Forest. Go ahead and log into your Theme Forest account and navigate to the download section. You'll see a list of everything you've ever bought. It's important here to click on Download next to your theme's name and then choose Installable WordPress File Only. This part trips up a lot of people, so let me clarify. Theme Forest gives you a couple of download options, but we want the one that's just the theme itself, neatly zipped up and ready to upload, nothing extra. If you grab the All Files and Documentation version by mistake, you'll end up with a folder containing guides, demo content, and yes, the real theme zipped inside, but you'll need to extract it first to find the actual theme name zip you'll install. So to avoid any confusion and save yourself a little time, make sure you're picking the installable file from the start. With that zip file on your computer, let's jump over to your WordPress dashboard. This is where everything comes together. On the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance and click Themes. Up at the top, you'll see a button labeled Add New Theme. Once you're there, look for Upload Theme, usually right at the top of the page. Give that a click. Now click Choose File and select the theme name, zip file you just downloaded. Take a quick pause to make sure you've picked the correct file. It should end in zip. When you're ready, click Install Now. WordPress will take it from here. You'll see a progress bar, and in a few moments a success message should pop up. If your internet connection is a little slow, just be patient, no need to click anything else. Once the theme installs, you'll see an Activate button. Click that and congratulations, your new theme is now live on your site. At this point, you can check out your homepage and see the changes in action. It's a great feeling to watch your site transform, isn't it? Now, most Envato themes offer bonus features, pre-built layouts, or even demo content. But here's an important last step for unlocking all of that: license activation. This protects the developer's hard work and ensures you get all updates and premium perks. Go back to your Theme Forest downloads page, click Download again next to your theme, and this time select License Certificate and Purchase Code. Open up this certificate. It's usually a text file, and you'll find a long code called your purchase code. Head back to your WordPress dashboard, usually within the New Theme Settings panel, and look for an option asking for this code. Just copy and paste the purchase code there, save, and your theme is now fully activated. If you don't see those features right away, try refreshing or checking the theme's documentation, but you should be good to go. And that's it. Installing a premium WordPress theme from Envato isn't too daunting once you break it down, and now your site has a fresh look and full access to all the powerful features you paid for. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or ran into any hiccups with your install, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy building.